Hello, teacher. The wishes and my leave. Present by Tania Pamela Sun. My personal life. My name is Tania Pamela Zuniga Ramirez. I am 24 years old. I am a student of children education. I have several dreams and goals that, with good help each of those proposed goals will come true. My personal dreams. I wish to finish my university degree. I wish to buy a house. I wish I had a late model car. I wish to continue specializing in the area with children with disabilities. I wish to start and have my own micro-business. Goals at work. I quit to work permanently in a school. I quit I had good friendships with my colleagues. Family goals. I quit to travel to Jerusalem with my family. I quit I could buy my parents a big house. I quit to supply help the income of the family. I greet my family at the church frequently. Thank you.